Hi, in this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to transfer photos, videos from an Android phone to iPhone. So right now, I will show you the best way to easily transfer your photos and videos from Android to iPhone. First of all, make sure your iPhone and your Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And now it's time to transfer files. So on your Android phone, you have to open this website pairdrop.net, and also in your iPhone, go to a browser and open the same website pairdrop.net. Once your iPhone and Android both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, in your Android phone screen, here you'll find your iPhone. Just tap on this device icon, and here I'm selecting Media Picker and selecting Images. And now from your gallery, you can select any photo to transfer to your iPhone. Just on your iPhone screen, tap on Accept to receive the photos. And just tap on Save Image and go to your iPhone Photos app, and here we can see the photo. And the same way you can transfer any video from Android to iPhone. On your Android display, tap on iPhone device icon, tap on Media Picker and select Videos, and now you will be able to select one or multiple videos to transfer. And the same way you can transfer any photos or videos from your iPhone to Android. To do that, on your iPhone screen, just tap on this Android device icon, tap on Photo Library, and now from your Photos app you can select any photo. You can select multiple photos or videos to transfer. Just tap on Add. On your Android phone display, tap on Accept to receive the image or video. Tap on Download, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.